Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by elevating the antivirus UI. You need admin rights to restore safely. Once open, go directly to Quarantine or History and locate the item, sort by date or file name to find it fast. Make a record. Export the list or take a screenshot so you have the original file path and app context. This matters because some restores require excluding the original folder first. If you skip that, the file will be quarantined again after you restore. Once you've recorded details, choose Restore or better, Restore and Exclude, so the AV won't re-quarantine the file. After restoration, do not run the file yet. Instead, scan it again with your antivirus and, if possible, a secondary scanner to confirm it's clean. For executables, verify the digital signature and compute a hash like MD5 or SHA1 to compare against a trusted source. These steps prevent reintroducing malware while letting you recover legitimate files safely. Finalize by adding a precise exclusion for that file or folder. Make sure it's not a broad wildcard or a critical system path. Once restored and verified, create a version backup or enable file history and cloud sync so you have a clean copy if this happens again. If the AV refuses to restore or the backup shows corruption, check whether the quarantine database is damaged, repair or reinstall the AV, and contact vendor support with your exported list and screenshots to resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.